Hello, how are we all doing? We have brought you today to a fantastic nature reserve in Sheerness, and it's called Elmley. Now it's privately owned. You can rent accommodation here. There's a cafe on site and really good toilets, good roads, and there's a fair bit of walking to be had. Now this particular nature reserve is absolutely fantastic for short-eared owls, little owls, barn owls. When we pulled in, apparently there's been a merlin seen on site. We're just walking down now to where there's usually seen little owls. So, been here before. We're friends of Elmley. If you're going to come, you have to book tickets. I'll put the website and stuff below so you can have a look at the prices, etc. But we're going to have a little mooch now, see what we can see. So bring you along for the walk. Anyway, let's go and have a look, see what we can see, eh? So we're down where the little owl usually hangs out. I don't know if you can see it. Where am I? The barn behind us, the building. I think it's an old schoolhouse. It usually hangs about in there. There is an owl box in the tree, which they've never been known to breed in. But it's sort of a barn owl box being put up there for barn owls. I mean, on the approach road on the way down here, we see 2 cattle egrets, a couple of curlews, a load of peewits or lapwings, male and female harrier, and female kestrel sitting on a post. But as you can see, the area is absolutely vast. Apparently at the moment there are 8, they've been seen 8 short-eared owls over here, but the area is so vast. I mean, we're going to spend all day here, have a good look around, show you about. We're at the top end at the moment, so as you sort of go through the gate and before you get to the car park, if you look, there's a turning on your right, and that's the track we just in front of a house, and that's the track we just walked down to have a look down here, and get good views of hare here sometimes in the springtime. But we're going to hang around here for a little while. There's no little owl shown at the moment. There's a few people turning up and having a walk around. I think they're talking about cameras. And yeah, we're going to have a little mooch around. I'll go down to the bottom. There are loads and loads of marsh harriers here. I spoke to someone that was here last time, and they said they have a marsh harrier count once a year, and this is probably 2-3 years ago. They had 100. They counted 100 marsh harriers on site. So that's a lot of marsh harriers, right? So you're about to see one here. Anyway, have a good old mooch round today. Hopefully it's just going to be overcast. And we're not going to get any rain, but ain't worried, we've got rain gear. Catch you in a bit. Also, we just walked back, there's a female kestrel, so we're going to stop here and see if we can get some shots and a bit of video for you. I'll stick it up next. Hopefully I'll get some decent ones. excuse the wobbliness, but this bird is literally above my head. So that was good, wasn't it? Female kestrels, just walking back, and a guy was saying, oh, there's a kestrel, it hangs around a bit here, and we let everyone else walk away, which is always a good idea. And she's still flying over her head here, look. And yeah, she hovered and posed for us, so fantastic. So I hope you like them shots. Me and Sally was there for quite a while. She was hovering right over the top of her head. Obviously that piece of footage, I was leaning back right down trying to get that little bit of footage of her hovering, and she's just literally above my head now. How cool's that? Anyway, let's see what else is about. That's a visitor's toilet block down there. As you'd expect, spectacularly clean. So I'm just going to walk down towards the hides now. See what's about down there. So just walking down towards the hides now, through the reed beds, where we see the bearded tit. Last time we come in, so I'll put a link up at the top right now, so you can click on that and have a look at the bearded tits that we see here. But there are literally thousands of lapwings swirling around over the back there. Just up ahead here, in front of where Sammy is, there's a kestrel sitting right on a post. Got an AHV at the moment, and it's got its back to us, but looks like a male from all that way away. So I'm just going to have a mooch up there, see if we can get some shots of that. It's been a bit of a kestrel day today. My mate Nick Lay would love that. He likes a bit of kestrel action. He'll be rubbing his legs, he will be. Loves it. Anyway, let's have a little look up here. Towards this like little blind, and kestrels come and sat on top of that now. So more kestrels. Never have too many kestrels. I'm just going to creep up on this one. Let's get a better view on that one. Hang on. Screened area here after the kestrel took off, and there are plenty of waders down there. Look. A nice little bay this. You can stand behind this screen, it doesn't disturb the birds. They're still coming in. Lovely, beautiful. Plenty of ducks out there on this little cove. It's nice and still there. Kestrels just took off. It's just gone back onto the fence post over there where I'm pointing the camera. Going to continue to walk about. I don't know if you can see that lot. I don't know if you can see that lot flying around, but it's the most beautiful of sounds, the swish of 1,000 birds' wings. There's just nothing more magical than that.
I know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through. 'Cause we only want what's best for you. I know that you are having trouble believing right now that everything is gonna be alright. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through. 'Cause we only want what's best, what is best for you. know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you. For you, what is best for you. For you.
Just sitting in the hide now for a couple of minutes. Got a couple of lagoons in front of us, but there's nothing on them at all. Some over the back. I think there's 4 hides here down on this bottom bit. It can be quite a walk. Could probably get a scooter, a buggy down there if he was disabled. Got 2 swans coming in front of us. They usually stop here, so I'll see if I can get some incoming shots. So yeah, we'll stay here a couple of minutes now. As I say, there's nothing really close to us around here, so we're going to have a walk back. Might go to that other hide area, but we're staying here till it closes at 4, opens at 9, closes at 4. I think that's the same times as the cafes open as well. Apparently we met a chap here from Norfolk, very nice lad he was. So if you're watching, mate, thanks for watching and subscribing. And he recommends the hot chocolate in the cafe, so I think we might have hot chocolate. Sammy likes a hot chocolate, don't you, Sammy? Yeah, she likes her hot chocolate. She likes her hot chocolate. So yeah, we're going to have a little walk back, see what else we can see. See you in a bit. Thank you, Dorman. So we stopped to take some photographs of this male Stonechat, stunning little bird, and its female partner, equally as beautiful, when the male Stonechat decided to fly off into this patch of reeds here, which I noticed this little black fluffy thing appear. So what have we here? Look at that. It's a stoat. It's a stoat carrying a vole. So, off it leaped. There must have been a patch of water or some mud or something here that he wanted to jump over. So it's leapt into the air. Still carrying this vole. It's amazing. And as quick as it jumped, as it nimbly lands amongst the reeds and then slowly disappears. Gone as quick as it came. How cool was that? So amazing. Today it's about 2 o'clock. We got it at 9:30 this morning. We've had a walkathon, so good for the old fitness levels. Got the steps up. See a bit, not a great deal, but see a bit. Had a nice walk. Just waiting to see if there's any crepuscular action at the moment with the owls. If something's crepuscular, it means it's active early mornings and early evenings, dawn and dusk. So I thought I'd do a little bit of a video when I'm resting my weary feet, waiting for the little owl to come out. There's like an old schoolhouse here. We've got a bench next to it. There's a really pale fronted buzzard down on the post. It's so far away though, it's like probably a flipping mile away. Can't really see it properly. Anyway, I took a photograph of it. I'll put it up. It's a long way away, but I'll see what you think. So I thought I'd say adios now. So as I always say, stay safe and stay sane. Anyway, just about to go. Just about to go. And out popped the short-eared owl. Have a look at this. Happy flipping days. I'm in the bar now, but I didn't get a photograph of that. Not yet anyway. But yeah, have a look at this. Lovely short-eared owl. Cushy. And he got the bar now. Happy days. Check this out, and then I promise you it'll be the end of the video. So, as I always say, stay safe and stay sane. Be happy, be lucky. And, oh yeah, if I don't see you beforehand, have a blooming good Christmas, won't you? Merry Christmas to you all. And let's hope next year, 2022, is a good one, eh? Anyway, you look after yourself. I'll catch you later. Bye.
You've got one ear sticking out.
It's alright, I don't care. Now she tells me